So you see this outer ring and this inner button tab and this space in between those. So that's where we want to put the screwdriver and try to raise that out. Tools you'll need some kind of a claw. In this case I've got a claw hammer and a couple of slot screwdrivers, and I like to have one that's very narrow at the tip. In case of emergency, got our drill with a 2mm for drilling a pilot hole and then an 8mm for drilling out the retainer clip. If you want to step through the sizes, you could have a 5mm as well. I also recommend some eye protection because Murphy's Law, if it can fall into your eyes, it will. So start with your narrow slot screwdriver and on a steep angle, trying to work it in to that edge. And the technique is just to wiggle the tip a little bit this way as it's inside. Just working your way around. Be patient. Try to get it from multiple sides. Now I could probably just pop this one out just with the single screwdriver, but just to be safe, what I like to do is now get the second screwdriver in, and again just turning those, so I'm just twisting them like this, gently trying to raise it up. And once you get it out far enough, now take your claw. You see I've raised that center tab out about 3 or 4mm. Now taking my claw and then just some of them just will not cooperate. You can see that snapped off, which does happen on occasion with these old ones especially. So let's show you how to drill it out. Taking a 2mm for the pilot and just drilling right in the center. I do like stepping through the sizes, so here's the 5mm. And finally the 8mm. There you go. You can see that how this works is that when this center button is pressed in, they widen at the tines here. So if you're looking to reuse them, make sure that they're backed off as far as they can be. That's what the end should look like, and then it should fit right back in.